An internal audit has revealed that EDW Lynch has exceeded our alcohol and bar budget for this fiscal quarter. A number of factors have caused this overage, including increased romantic operations, beer inflation, and our recent business trip and brewery tour in Portland, Oregon with a sibling company. However, the manglomerate has experienced savings in other budgets, and so these will offset that one-time overage. And I will accept questions now.
Hello, yes, this is David Toki Shi from the BBC World Service. EDW Lynch has disclosed nothing about the nature of the romantic operations you mentioned earlier. Can you explain why they would require so much alcohol?
Well, that's a great question. Anytime there are intensive romantic operations, we see a corresponding increase in that alcohol consumption. And we don't want to alarm our stakeholders that alcohol is not all being ingested by EDW Lynch. A lot of it is actually going to those girls in question, those what we call the potential girlfriends. And we see what we call a value-added effect as a result of that additional alcohol.
Can you be more specific about, with regard to the value-added effect of alcohol?
Well, without getting too specific, David, due to our kiss and tell policy at the manglomerate, in just broad strokes, the additional alcohol is necessary during the course of romantic operations. Most critically because we want to basically counteract those moments of awkwardness that we do experience. And we found that alcohol really has a wonderful way of limiting those moments of awkwardness in duration and in the actual number of those moments of awkwardness as well. Do you have another question?
No, that's all, thank you.
Thank you. Yes, go ahead.
Yes, Rena Cloydle from the Mission Bliss. EDW was able to reallocate funds from health to alcohol and bars. Where did you experience savings in the health budget?
Well, our attorneys were able to renegotiate that gym membership that we did have. So we got a partial refund there. Also, we experienced savings in our yoga budget line that were unexpected.
In July of this year, EDW Lynch promised to begin taking yoga classes. Does this mean you have not yet fulfilled that goal?
Well, we've experienced a few unexpected delays, mainly in the area of apparel. EDW Lynch has a very strict dress code that prevents us from wearing any sort of skin-tight or any hemp-based clothes. So we're working with our tailors in London for a solution. We're thinking something in a three-piece sort of arrangement. But R&D for that is at least 6 months, so we're a bit delayed there.
And one more final question. How do you respond to criticism by the International Yogi Union, who says that you should, quote, really take this time and authority with your creative chakras by breathing down, down, down into your sacrum. End quote.
If I could just cut you off there, EDW Lynch has vigorously denied the existence of this so-called sacrum, and we really wish you wouldn't say that word. Thank you. Good night.